Why is it that some men command an aura of undeniable power, while others fade into obscurity like shadows in the wind? This is not something science can explain, yet the answer is simple. It is the force of life within them, the sacred fire, the primal energy that shapes kings and warriors. And you may not like what I am about to reveal, but know this wisdom is not for the faint-hearted. Most men squander their very essence, heedlessly offering their life force to the abyss, draining their potential with every careless act of indulgence. They have been deceived, lulled into weakness by a world that thrives on their submission. The doctrine of modernity tells them that self-release is natural, even beneficial. Movies, so-called experts, and the voices of a complacent society whisper this poison into their ears. But here, in the realm of wisdom, we do not accept such lies without question. We seek the hidden truths that forge unbreakable men. Men are vessels of life, bearers of a power so potent that when given to a woman, it sparks the miracle of creation. Reflect on that. This force within you is nothing less than divine, yet so many cast it into the void for fleeting pleasure. And with every loss their strength wanes, their spirit dims, their presence erodes into nothingness. Look around. Do you not see it? The hollow-eyed men devoid of vitality. Shadows of what they were meant to be. They are ghosts who walk among us, their power long since drained into the depths of oblivion. A true man, a man who guards his essence like a sacred flame, radiates an energy that cannot be ignored. Women sense it, their instincts, sharpened by millennia, recognize its primal call. Other men, too, feel its weight, for power does not go unnoticed. The difference is in the eyes. A piercing gaze that unsettles the weak, a presence that bends reality in its favor. Those who reject this truth do so out of fear, clinging to their comforts and making excuses for their own frailty. They say it is unnatural to retain one's power, but I ask you, did the warriors of old spill their strength before battle? Did the conquerors of history embrace weakness? No, they forged empires, not excuses. We live in an age of sedation, where men are dulled and tamed, their wild nature suppressed beneath layers of indulgence and distraction. But the body remembers. The spirit remembers. If you reclaim what is rightfully yours, if you defy the modern sickness that seeks to weaken you, your transformation will be undeniable. By retaining the essence of your being and channeling it into discipline, you awaken the ancient fire within. Your body grows stronger, your mind sharper, your will unbreakable. The weak will not understand, but they are not meant to. This path is not for them. Combine this sacred practice with the iron discipline of warriors past. Lift the stones of strength, nourish your body with the food of kings, temper your soul in the fires of hardship. In time, you will witness the rebirth of your own legend. The glow of vitality will return to your skin. The power in your stride will be unmistakable. Your words will carry weight, your presence will demand respect. Women will be drawn to you not by superficial charm, but by something ancient, something they cannot name. Other men will stand aside, instinctively recognizing the dominance you exude. There is no fixed timeline for mastery, no shortcut to power. The longer you hold your strength within, the more profound its force becomes. And when you feel this energy surge through your veins, use it. Pour it into your ambitions, your battles, your conquests. Know that semen retention is not an end, but a means. An instrument that sets you apart from the common herd, the key to unlocking the dormant greatness within. Any man can rise to his highest form, but few will. This world is a crucible, and only those who embrace hardship will emerge as steel. The weak will scoff at this truth, for they are addicted to comfort, and snared by the very chains they refuse to see. But comfort is the enemy of greatness, a siren song that lulls the undisciplined into mediocrity. And there exists but one weapon against it: discipline. It is the fire that separates the child from the warrior, the lost from the legendary. Set your laws, establish your rituals, fortify your mind. The modern world is a labyrinth of temptations, designed to drain you of all that makes you formidable. If you rely only on discipline, you will falter. Structure is your fortress. Cast aside the devices that call to your weakness. Do not let your bed become a battlefield where you fall to your lowest urges. If temptation rises, face it with the cold steel of willpower. Plunge yourself into icy waters. Remind your flesh who is master. Do this, and you shall know victory. Your strength will not go unnoticed. Your might will shape your world. In the arena of life, you will not stand among the defeated. You will carve your own destiny with the precision of a warrior's blade. So rise, cast away the weakness of lesser men. Become a force that time itself will remember. And if you seek to walk this path of power, to transcend the fate of ordinary men, then mark this wisdom well. Embrace it, live by it, and let the world bear witness to the resurgence of kings. By the way, if you seek to ascend, show your resolve by striking the like and subscribe button. Until we meet again.